Wealth baskets powered by WealthDesk are now live on all major trading platforms. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with investing in wealth baskets with your trading account. Go to your broking platform and click on the WealthDesk option or open the dedicated WealthDesk microsite for your broking platform. You'll see wealth baskets that have been specially curated for you. A snapshot of details including a short description, CAGR, risk profile, and minimum investable amount is seen for each wealth basket. These wealth baskets cover a wide range of strategies, themes, and models and can cater to any or all investment needs. Consider the diversity of portfolios seen here. For long-term investment needs, we have the OpenQ Defensive Momentum. In thematic portfolios, we have OpenQ Make in India. Similarly, in sectoral category, we have OpenQ Pharma, OpenQ Chemicals, OpenQ Banking and Investments. Furthermore, your broking platform can review and add more portfolios from the constantly growing collection on WealthDesk to continuously expand the basket of choices available to you. Now let's see how easy it is to invest into one of the portfolios available here. You can click on any one wealth basket to find detailed information on it. The product type, benchmark, asset mix, market cap category, and suggested investment period are all given here. To help you understand the portfolio and its applied strategy model or theme, a short description is also given by the research team. You can even compare the past performance of the portfolio to relevant benchmarks such as Nifty. To see the stock split, you will need to log into your trading account and subscribe to this portfolio. Once you select a portfolio and click on subscribe, the end user agreement is shown. After OTP verification is done, you get to choose the mode of investment, lump sum or SIP, and the amount you want to invest. The advisory fee for the given investment amount is auto-calculated and is shown. After payment is complete, the stock split is shown. Here, the stock name, quantity to be purchased, its current price, and total value of transaction is seen. Once you confirm the transaction, the order is readied. After you repeat confirmation, the order is executed and your portfolio is invested. The invested wealth basket can now be tracked in your portfolio. The amount invested, P&L, dividend receipts, withdrawal amounts are seen on the top. If you scroll down, you can also see the individual stock split with details like number of units, entry-exit prices, profit and loss for each stock in the wealth basket. You can click on detailed performance to compare benchmark, Nifty 500 in this case, and portfolio performance and portfolio versus index IRR. Wealth baskets can be invested in lump sum or SIP mode. You can easily find portfolios which can be subscribed in SIP mode with the SIP available tag as seen here. Another important aspect is the ability to speed up the selection of the right wealth basket using the compare feature. Select the wealth baskets you want to compare and click compare. The selected portfolios are compared on CAGR, risk, benchmark, minimum investable amount, fees, fund type, and performance. WealthDesk investment options and decisions are smart and easy. Invest in wealth baskets of direct stocks and ETFs from top advisors with your trading account. Sign in using your trading account and start investing in wealth baskets.